Welcome back, YouTube. Welcome back to the Drama Experience. It's your boy Dim.
And I'm Tay.
And we're back with another video.
As you know, we went to Italy to celebrate my 30th birthday. And for those of you who watched the videos, you saw that we did a lot of shopping. So this video, we're going to be talking about all the items we bought and how much money we saved. So stay tuned to the end to see exactly how much money we saved.
Yo.
So one of the reasons why we really wanted to shop in Italy is because right now, dollars to euro is almost 1-to-1, which means that we don't spend more when we go to Europe, and we ended up, like we said, saving a lot of money. When we got to France, we missed our flight.
Oh man, thinking about France again. If y'all didn't watch the video, remember, watch the video.
Once we missed our flight, I saw Hermès and I actually got really excited because when we landed in Naples, I was supposed to go to Hermès and Louis Vuitton to get some items that I needed to complete some of my outfits. I go into the one in the airport and I got me a pair of sandals. For those of you who know Hermès sandals, especially in a color, they're very hard to get. I got these yellow sandals. They're orange. They're the orange sandals in the color yellow. So the orange sandals were $510 in France. They are $660 in the US at retail price. The next thing that I got was a Chic H bracelet. And my favorite color of all time is pink. I got me a pink Chic H bracelet with gold hardware. I love gold hardware. And this was $575 in France, and in the United States, it's also $660. This bracelet literally costs just as much as the sandals in the US.
That's very weird to me, but I don't know.
Last but not least, I left my Twillies home for my Birkin. So I had to buy me a new Twilly to go with my Birkin for the trip. This Twilly was $210 in France, and it is $250 in the US.
Yes, yes.
So I got this to go along with my bag, and it has a lot of pinks and yellows. Twilly, beautiful. And that was it for me at Hermès. I think I got everything that I wanted, and I was like, all right, moving on.
As I can see, she was shopping, huh? I'm just the supporting cast, that's all.
On my actual birthday, I had the opportunity to go to Capri. Capri was beautiful.
If y'all ain't watched the video, go back and watch the video.
So we went to Capri and I stopped in Louis Vuitton because I really wanted this bag. I got the Sac Plat BB. And this Sac Plat BB was $17.50 in Capri, which is also in Italy. In the United States, it's $2,370.
Ooh. Y'all can hear that difference already.
And this is the Sac Plat BB. They come in different sizes. They have mini, they have bigger ones, and this bag also comes with a strap. So I was really excited about this bag because this is something I wanted, and it's very cute. And then that day, I also got myself a fragrance. I know I butcher. Atrape Revés.
Always saying the name wrong.
So this perfume was $240 in Capri and $280 in the US. And then I got this guy to spend some money.
As y'all know, it was her 30th birthday, so it was all about her. She was shopping and having a good time. And for some reason, I didn't really see nothing that really caught my eye. For the most part, if it was something that I wanted or something that I probably already have,
yeah,
or something close, it was very weird. I didn't see nothing, but I found something though. So I got these lovely pair of Virgil Lv Trainers. They're called Lv Trainers, obviously, and all white. So this is supposed to be limited edition, but that's what she told me. If y'all watch the video, it got the 1854 on the back of the sneaker, which was when LV was founded, I guess. Virgil made these, if y'all know, rest in peace to Virgil. And these were $940 in Italy and $1,300 in the US. Good savings. That's the only item I purchased when I was out there. Everything was about her and Raya.
So the same day, mind you, we bought this in Venice at this time. We're in Venice. So Dim and I Raya is real quiet in the room, right? Raya is real quiet.
It's not nice, right?
No, let's show Raya. What's up? What happened there?
What's that?
No, you did that.
Look at Minnie Mouse. Look at your pillow. Look at you.
Don't cry.
Look, babe, you almost finished it.
Don't cry.
Oh, that's it.
So, one of the items that I really wanted that I couldn't find in Capri were the Louis Vuitton hoop earrings. I got these in Venice as well, and they're beautiful earrings, honestly. So, these were $490 in Venice. These are $715 in the United States. So, I was really happy to get these earrings in Italy. Burgundy bag.
Listen, if anybody knows me, knows I love these boxes and that color right there, because I have a whole bunch of Cartier frames, and when we went to Italy, she found some beautiful ones for the price that I would never thought.
I bought some beautiful Cartier frames. These are my first pair.
Oh,
They are beautiful.
y'all can see it's like a yellowish
It's
tint.
like a yellowish tinge.
Fire. Pose for them. Damn.
And guess how much I got them for? So $815 for these, and $1,145 in the US, and that's at retail price. And if you know anything about Cartier frames, you know that people don't buy their frames from there. They're really hard to get.
There's a lot of resale with the Cartier frames. They go upwards of $1,500 to $2,000. So she got a great deal by paying $815.
Basically, the place that we got it from was saying that a lot of people will buy from him and then come to the US and
sell
them. So the next one is this baby. So you may notice that some of our items don't have boxes and bags, and that's because we had to unpack them in order to bring them back to the US.
You had to buy a whole nother suitcase.
This is the red Versace bathrobe. It's really nice. It has the belt to go with it. And this was $418 in Venice. Venice had a lot of beautiful stuff. And this is $595
Yes.
in the United States.
Wow.
If you were to buy this online in the United States, $595. I paid $418.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Last but definitely not least, we couldn't go on vacation and shop and not get something for Raya.
Yeah, man. So when we was at Milan, we went shopping at a department store. If you live in New York, it's like a Saks, a Bloomingdale. That's if you live in New York. We got her outfit that she wore already for her birthday, so we can't show y'all. I don't want to show y'all.
Pictures.
We would drop some pictures of her outfit. We got her a Versace shirt and a Versace skirt.
Yes.
Yes. So for the Versace skirt, it was $225 in Italy. In US, it was $315. Versace shirt, it was $125 in Italy. It was $175 in US. You see the savings? It was not like a great, but it was still a good savings. You know what I mean? We was planning on getting her
Dior dress that cost way more than that we couldn't find.
basically what we paid for both of her the whole outfit. We would have paid for one dress in US for Dior, and we got her outfit. And it was beautiful. We still got her some stuff.
Moncler.
We got her Moncler, as New Yorkers say. And not only one, we got two Moncleres.
So this is the Moncler. This is the Majoré down jacket. It was $410 in Europe, and it's $595. It goes down to Raya's like mid-leg, mid-calf.
So the next coat we got her, the Mayor. This one was $380 in Italy, and in US it's $575. So a great deal of savings once again.
So Raya got two jackets.
Two Monclers.
So We did some shopping. I feel like we did some modest shopping because if we really, really wanted to go shopping, it would have been way, way worse.
Yeah, if I really would have went shopping too, it would have got
Bad.
worse. Thank God that didn't happen. I mean, we enjoyed we enjoyed Italy.
And our birthday. Let's get into how much money we spent and how much money we saved.
Yeah.
So our grand total of shopping in Italy was $7,088.94.
Okay.
How much would those items be with tax, right? So that price, that $7,000 figure I gave you, is with the tax and everything included, right?
Yep. So in US, the total price with tax for all items would have been $10,441.93.
And that's taxed in New York because we live in New York.
It definitely would vary in different states, but we live in New York, so our total price once again was $10,441.93.
So on top of that, when you get to the airport, they give you a form every time you shop, and they're tax return forms.
Yes.
So when you get to the airport, you give them your tax return forms, and they give you back your.
And we still got some money back after we spent the $7,800 or whatever dollars you spent.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
We got back $400. And honestly, traveler's tip, you go to the tax return before you check in your luggage. They asked to verify one of my items and my luggage was checked, so I couldn't get the return on my Hermès stuff.
Our total savings was $3,752.99.
That's crazy.
With the tax refund back.
A lot of the brands that we shop from, it's very hard to get a discount. Sometimes Monclers do not go on sale, especially at this time of year. Louis Vuitton is never on sale.
Oh,
That's not a thing.
You're not getting no discount with Louis Vuitton.
Cartiers are resold here. Hermès sandals are very hard to find, especially in colors, unless you want black, white, brown. Any other color, it's very hard to find. So
yeah,
we were able to
I feel like
shop.
we got a great deal of stuff in Italy.
So you got to see how we save so much money by shopping in Italy. So if any of you are traveling to Italy soon, save some coins so you can go shopping. Or if you're flexible and you are looking to buy some luxury items, wait till you get there to buy them because they may have them and you can save a great deal of money. If you have any questions about anything, please let us know. Please comment. All the links to everything that we've purchased is in the bio.
Yep. So like you said, man, if y'all like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more, guys. Catch y'all guys later.